Welcome back to my channel, Zero Studio. In this video you will see some design options that might fit what you are looking for or thinking about. Enjoy watching. A sleek, rectangular glass aquarium seamlessly integrated into a Japanese Zen garden. The aquarium is built into a low, white concrete structure surrounded by smooth river stones. Inside, koi fish swim gracefully among aquatic plants. A small bamboo fountain trickles nearby, and a stone pathway leads to a wooden bench for quiet contemplation. Soft, ambient lighting highlights the clear water against a backdrop of neatly trimmed bonsai trees. A stunning infinity-style aquarium built into a modern rooftop patio. The tank extends from the edge, making it appear as if the water blends with the sky. Minimalist wooden decking surrounds the aquarium, with built-in seating offering a perfect view of the clear, tranquil water. Elegant LED strip lights run along the base, casting a soft glow in the evening. Exotic fish, including angelfish and neon tetras, swim gracefully in this serene setting. A rectangular, frameless glass aquarium embedded in a smooth white concrete base, featuring a cascading waterfall that gently flows into a lower pond. Floating lily pads and goldfish add color to the clear water. The surrounding space is minimalist, with a simple black stone pathway and a single wooden bench for relaxation. Tall bamboo plants create a natural privacy screen around the area. A transparent, cube-shaped outdoor aquarium sits in the center of a minimalist courtyard, appearing like a living sculpture. Inside, vibrant green aquatic plants sway, with small fish darting between them. The aquarium is elevated on a floating concrete slab over a shallow reflecting pool, adding to the illusion of weightlessness. Subtle LED lights create a mesmerizing glow at night, while surrounding potted bonsai trees enhance the peaceful ambience. A frameless glass aquarium wall seamlessly integrated into the edge of a luxury pool, creating a stunning visual effect. The clear, continuous glass allows for an uninterrupted view of the vibrant tropical fish inside, which swim alongside the pool's shimmering water. The surrounding pool deck features minimalist teakwood furniture, and a soft glow from underwater lighting enhances the tranquil evening atmosphere. A striking outdoor wall-mounted aquarium built into a smooth concrete patio wall, appearing like a floating window into an underwater world. The sleek, rectangular design features ultra-clear glass, allowing vibrant coral and exotic fish to be seen effortlessly. Soft LED backlighting enhances the view at dusk, while modern outdoor furniture in neutral tones surrounds the space, creating a cozy, contemporary atmosphere. A minimalist outdoor aquarium designed as an infinity-edge pond, where the water appears to blend seamlessly into the horizon. The low-profile concrete base has a frameless glass side, allowing a crystal-clear view of colorful koi and aquatic plants. White gravel lines the pond's floor, enhancing the clean aesthetic. A single sculptural tree stands nearby, casting soft reflections on the water's surface. A stunning outdoor aquarium bridge made of reinforced glass, allowing visitors to walk over a flowing stream filled with fish. The clear panels on the sides and below offer a full view of the aquatic life, with pebbles and aquatic plants enhancing the natural look. Surrounding the bridge, a minimalist Japanese garden features manicured shrubs and soft pathway lighting, creating a serene, nature-inspired escape. A sleek, low-profile outdoor aquarium doubles as a coffee table on a stylish modern terrace. The glass tank is supported by a matte black steel frame, with a wooden top that allows for drinks and decorative elements. Inside, a minimalist aquascape features white sand, a few sculptural rocks and slow-moving betta fish. The terrace overlooks a lush green garden, with contemporary lounge chairs arranged around the aquarium table. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you can enjoy it and find the design you want. See you in the next video.